Now that you've understood the first scanner, let's move on to the second. That's a pre-market scanner. You've heard of the old saying that goes, the early bird catches the worm. The pre-market tab on the NSE website gives you a list of stocks along with their opening tentative prices and their volumes. Yeah. So here, instead of shortlisting as per criteria, we focus on the pre-market gainers and losers.
Well, I know a loser whose name starts with R.
Hey, पीछे मारना बंद करना यार. So gainers are stocks that have moved up with high volume. They become potential buy candidates. Similarly, losers are stocks that have moved down with high volume. So these are potential sell candidates. The pre-market window is open from 9 to 9:08 am. We need to observe the top gainers and losers in this duration and be ready to place orders as soon as the market opens at 9:15 am, as no orders can be placed in between 9 to 9:15 am. The idea is to ride the momentum in the stocks going up or down and capture the hot stocks in the first 30 minutes of trading.
Exactly. Exactly like how you used to go to the bhajia wala at crack of dawn and get all the hot fresh bhajiyas before their business even properly opened up.
Hey, tu brute! Okay, guys, pay close attention.
Okay.
See, you need to beware of stocks which give you a huge gap up. Yeah, and it is mandatory for you to have a stop loss and a target in place, lest the trade goes against you.
What is a gap up?
See, a gap up is a scenario where the stocks open at a much higher price as compared to the previous day's closing price. Okay. Yeah. For example, if it moves by say more than 5%, then we stay away from these stocks. Yeah.
Yeah, this is exciting. I will use this style.
Karthik, this trading style is for nimble-footed, okay? You need to be very quick to capture these moves. So as a novice in trading, I would really advise you to avoid it.
Well, in that case, Karthik, tu to rehni de. You're slower than a tortoise.
Okay, let me show you how I made money in Jindal Steel using this technique. I first checked the pre-market window on the NSE India website and then clicked Live Market. Under Live Market tab, click on Pre-Open Market. Observe the pre-open market top 5 gainers and top 5 losers which meet our criteria. These stocks are the top gainers as per our criteria. And these stocks are the top losers as per our criteria. Jindal Steel appeared in the top gainers list in the pre-market window with volume greater than Rs 75 lakhs. Moreover, the stock was trading above the super trend line. Seeing that, I was ready to put my buy order at 9:15 am. Now let me show you how the stock fared that day. The stock started at Rs 219, rose to 228 and traded at 227 in the first 30 minutes after the market opened. This is an upswing of nearly 5%. So I bought it at Rs 219 and sold it at Rs 228. See, if I had waited for another 2 hours before exiting the stock, which rose to 235, I would have profited by Rs 7 more.
The profit is just ₹9 per share. इसमें तो एक chocolate भी नहीं आएगा.
It's a game of volumes, my dear. See, I bought 2,000 shares and each share at Rs 9, I made a profit of...
Oh, 18,000 rupees. Wow.
Yes, but remember 2,000 shares is a big quantity, okay? And there's a risk of your trade going either way. I will teach you how to decide on the quantity that you should actually buy and sell once you get a better understanding of the stock scanning and the trading strategy. Now let's see what happens when we look at a bearish scanner. Let's look at SBI. This was a trade I took on 25th Jan 2018. The stock appeared in the top losers list with volume greater than Rs 75 lakhs. It was trading below the super trend line, so I was ready with my sell order at 9:15 am.
So did you make a profit when you sold it?
Yeah, indeed. I simply sold it at a high price and then bought it back at a low price. See, in stock market, you can make money both ways. You buy low or sell high, or sell high and buy low.